Individuals needing to put resources into digital currencies could think purchasing a coin requires huge load of cash. The high worth of coins like Bitcoin and Ether could make it inconceivable for new fledglings to purchase crypto coins. By the by, there are different coins that you can find at a worth of under $1. However, these coins could have an ostensible worth. They may be worth very much more later on. Dissimilar to Bitcoin and Ether, you can purchase these coins in huge amounts. Thusly, even a little change in the cost can assist you with getting an ideal profit from your venture. In 2020, the DeFi token, AMP, is supposed to fundamentally affect the worldwide economy, in addition to the fact that it is a computerized token. Yet it likewise goes about as an installment entryway for clients on the Flexa organization. Not at all like other cryptographic forms of money. It is viewed as a class separated because of its starting point and execution. One crypto coin that has grabbed financial backers' eye is AMP. Albeit the AMP coin experienced high points and low points in the earlier years, yet has assisted financial backers with getting a 16% return on initial capital investment up till now. We should jump into the coin's outline to see more about it. AMP is a kind of digital currency with unexpected usefulness in comparison to different coins on the lookout. It goes about as insurance, and the Flexa organization involves the digital currency for its help. The coin can prove to be useful to cover the monetary exchanges that can turn out badly. AMP teams up with other specialist organizations like CoinGecko, Sushi, Gemini, and the sky is the limit from there. At first, the improvement group of Flexa organization chose to send off a token called FlexaCoin. However, it went to deliver the AMP coin in 2020 as a few specialized issues were coming in the method of FlexaCoin's send-off. On January 7, 2022, AMP was recorded on Bitstamp. Tragically, the organization's supervisory group experienced monetary difficulties. AMP Value Expectation 2023. The different cost forecast apparatuses show that the typical exchanging cost will remain around the 2 cents mark in 2023. According to our investigation, the typical exchanging cost of the AMP coin will probably be between 1 cent to 1 cent. On the off chance that the market feelings are good, the AMP coin's cost can go as high as 1 cent. On the other side, on the off chance that the market keeps on remaining negative, the most minimal cost of the coin can slip to 1 cent. 2023 may be a decent year for the crypto market as we hope to see a few guidelines for digital currencies. New guidelines will give a lot more secure environment to individuals hoping to enter the crypto market, alongside different advantages. Above all, it will likewise diminish the unpredictability on the lookout. Notwithstanding, these things are still a work in progress and could happen sometime. In this way, for the present, the unpredictability will keep on remaining in the crypto markets. Financial backers ought to zero in on exploring more about AMP coin and the market patterns to figure out the effect on its cost. AMP Value Forecast 2024. The first and second quarters of 2024 will choose where the cost will arrive at before the year's over. Specialists have an inspirational perspective for the AMP coin's cost as the digital currency reception rate increment. In any case, individuals needing to put resources into AMP ought to likewise watch out for the steadily changing crypto market element. Since there are no proportions or execution measurements, the most ideal way to decide the conceivable coin cost is by watching the economic situation. The quick and solid nature of the AMP environment is supposed to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. This could permit it to acquire a cost of 11 cents per coin. On the off chance that the interest for practical digital currencies keeps on rising, the cost of AMP may likewise go up. As per the organization's cost expectation for 2023, creating a gain from putting resources into the cryptocurrency is conceivable. AMP Value Forecast 2025. In the event that digital currencies become a huge piece of the monetary framework, it will assist the AMP with begettings worth to increment in 2025. Many organizations have a guide to acknowledge crypto coins as a method of installment for their labor and product. In addition, the job of the metaverse and advanced resources will likewise affect the crypto market. There are different hypotheses about the eventual fate of AMP, albeit the mechanical progressions that the organization has been working on are supposed to emphatically affect digital currency. It's as yet conceivable to anticipate that it will reach 14 cents. The fundamental factors that have added to the cost of AMP are its versatility and security highlights. The group behind AMP has made an interesting and strong framework that is equipped for dealing with various kinds of exchanges. Over the course of the following several years, the cryptographic money is supposed to acquire a lot of significant worth and arrive at a greatest cost of 17 cents in 2025. We saw a blast in the costs of different digital currencies, including AMP, because of the great notoriety of NFTs. Clients can buy these advanced resources through digital currencies. Assuming that more developments like these come up by 2025, there is plausible that crypto coins like the AMP can see a critical expansion in their worth. AMP Long Haul Estimate 2030. At the point when we discuss AMP coin's drawn-out estimate for 2030, financial backers should comprehend that it's trying to foresee an exact cost figure. The crypto market has a rundown of unpredictable elements that can influence the coin's worth, and thus, the cost relies on how these variables will turn out in 2030. By the by, we have investigated the cost expectations from different man-made intelligence-controlled instruments. The market is supposed to turn ideal in the following several years, and it's feasible to anticipate that the cost of AMP will increment essentially. This will permit the digital currency to break all boundaries and arrive at another high. AMP can be remembered for a financial backer's portfolio because of its anticipated cost increment. The cryptographic money's powerful shrewd agreements are likewise expected to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. It's feasible to expect its cost to reach 19 cents toward the finish of 2026, rather than zeroing in on the transient speculation. Specialists in the field of digital money like to zero in on the drawn-out objectives. With a touch of tolerance and a serious level of good faith, financial backers can expect a circle back in the drawn-out worth of AMP by 2027. As the reception of digital currency keeps on developing, it's normal that it will end up being a huge player on the lookout. It's likewise prescribed to sell or purchase AMP at the ongoing cost level to build your benefit. Since additional individuals are exchanging it, they will have an advantage in the market AMP value examination. The AMP coin cost has seen different highs and lows over the past couple of years. While the coin saw a progressive decrease in the initial not many months after its send-off, it saw a consistent ascent in its worth till the second quarter of 2021. The AMP coin's cost bounced from $0 the principal 7-day stretch of January to around 7 cents by May 2021. From that point forward, the AMP coin's worth saw a sharp decay, plunging to 39 cents inside the following couple of weeks. The coin lost around half of its worth from May 2021 to June 2021, preceding seeing a spike again in June. It arrived at an untouched high worth of 12 cents on June 16, 2021. Nonetheless, it before long crashed following half a month and was at 4 cents in the third 7-day stretch of July 2021. In the beyond 8 to 9 months, the coin has been going through a negative market. Specialists accept the coin could bounce back when the market recuperates from the ongoing auction. AMP execution 2022. The crypto market experienced monstrous development in 2021, and it caused the coins like AMP to expand their worth altogether. In any case, it is presently encountering a descending direction for the initial half year of 2022. The coin's worth was 5 cents in the main 7-day stretch of January 2022. In 2022, AMP exchanged around the 1 cent mark, addressing a fall of around 4 cents in its worth. The new crypto and tech auction add to this AMP coin's cost fall. Financial backers have taken out a lot of cash from the crypto market. Accordingly, it has placed strain on the whole market, causing the costs of AMP coins to fall. Indeed, even coins like Bitcoin and Ether saw a gigantic decrease in their qualities. In any case, special